Hi and welcome to Scholars Tutorial. I'm Jane, and this video we'll be talking about book lists. About someone is a person that is locked in. He's a bursar now, and he also has he's also assigned the task of being the librarian in his school. Now, a bursar, an ICT admin, and a teacher can be assigned by the vice principal to serve as the librarian in the school. Now, to access the librarian interface, the person has to use his profile drop down, and on the profile drop down, the person will locate the library button there and click on it, and he will be launched onto the Librarian homepage, and the Librarian homepage comes with the list of the books that have been borrowed and not yet returned. Now let's go to the book list we're supposed to create, and using this navigation here, you find out that there's a book list there, and you click on it. Now this book list is the list of books that the students are supposed to use for each particular subject and for the particular session in book. Now, each session, the book list for the subject has to be created. It's not only one particular book has to be created for a particular subject; it's a group of books. Now, and if you look at and all the students that are offering that subject will have access to those books, and they will know that they have to buy it. Now, for example, we can decide to decide to specify that things fall apart should be used by we are talking about 2014-2015 session, so we'll indicate that then it should be used by everybody in what SS1. So when we save this, it means that all SS1 students will in their own interface they will find out that this fall apart is recommended for them to use in the SS1 for 2014-2015 session. That is the people that are in SS1 2014-2015 session, and all this staff that teaches English, but this one is used in English, they will have access to it. They will also know that this book is recommended for them to use to teach the students in SS1, and the parents of the student will also see it. Now, if we save this, it becomes that then we can let's just not save it now and just look at the ones that have already been created by using that button there. Now, as this is interface is gives us, it comes to marketing the different classes and list the book in each class. For UBA 3, we have that this is the only book there, and currently this book list is deactivated, and what we can do, we can activate it so that it will reflect for all the students in UBA 3 that this will pass is a recommended book for English language. Now we can decide to edit it. When we click on this edit, we can actually remove things fall apart and choose another book, or we can change this session or change this particular class. Then when we click edit, it becomes saved. This interface still has the capability of us going back and going to the interface whereby we can create a new book list. Now when we go back, book list item. Now when we go back, we'll find out that we can actually access another one. This is SS1. There is no book list for that. SS2. There are two book list items here, and if you look at it, we have that just the way we edited it, you can edit it, but those ones are active because the contextual color of these ones are blue, while the other one was light gray. That's why that one is that color indicate that one is deactivated while these ones are active. It means that all students in SS2 will know that these ones that are supposed to buy it for the respective subjects are referencing. And if you look at it this way, we can click on this to have access to view it in more detail. That that the book we're talking about, A Power of Right Believing by Joseph Prince, and for session of 2014-2015, and the class is SS2. If we click on this, we'll have a broader detail about the book, indicating some other parameter like the year of publishing, the publisher, and some other things there. Now, even whether it is available in the library. Now, let's click on this and go back to the book list item listing, and find out that we are on this particular interface. So with this, we can also change the session in terms of viewing the book list. We can go back to previous sessions and see the book list that existed for those sessions, and we can also check upcoming session also. With this, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Well, thank you for checking out this video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video, and make sure you sign up on our scholars.